community advocates, and concerned citizens gathered at the Amayang Cultural Center for the Cheldebechel Forum, a national conversation centered on keeping people safe, supported, and connected in Palau. The forum brought together government officials, non-profit organizations, traditional leaders, and youth representatives to address some of Palau's most pressing challenges, including gender-based violence, mental health, substance abuse, and environmental protection. Organizers emphasized that meaningful change begins at the community level. Through open dialogue and shared experiences, participants examined practical solutions rooted in culture, collaboration, and accountability. Speakers highlighted the importance of Cheldebechel, a reminder that strength comes from unity and that protecting families requires collective responsibility. Discussions also explored the connection between social well-being and environmental stewardship, recognizing that safe communities extend beyond homes and into the land and waters that sustain Palau. As conversations concluded, participants left with a renewed commitment, not only to raise awareness, but to take action. The Cheldebechel Forum serves as a call to action, reinforcing that lasting solutions require partnership, persistence, and the shared belief that every person in Palau deserves safety, dignity, and support. From TMC, this is your reporter, Ngalday Tulop.